Poppy here. Caffeine BS for July 26, 2019. I just come back in from the shop where I've got Axis 1 with a 12-inch DRO installed on my milling machine. Shear line, milling machine, 13-inch table, less than 12 inches travel, eye gauging, 12-inch easy read DRO. I must have good luck, because I can't claim to be that skilled that I can just look at this thing in a catalog and my machine and say, that'll fit. And it be because I know it will. It's gotta be luck, because so far I'm either that damn good or I'm really freaking lucky. Anyway, I'm gonna close this out, and I've gotta do a project report for my Shearline DRO install later.